The reason I came to Job Corps is I was working dead-end jobs all the time. I was working pizza job after pizza job, and when you get to about 23 years old, my age, you kind of have to stop and wonder what's going on and where's your life going to lead. While on Facebook one day, I was scrolling through and I saw a Job Corps ad. Didn't know much about it, but I inquired upon it, and a couple months later, I was here. And I've begun to work a career that I believe is going to be fulfilling. While at Job Corps, my experience with it is I've learned a lot of great material within my trade, network cabling. I wanted a career in IT pretty much half of my life. I just didn't know how to get there. Job Corps has helped me provide for that, and I'm learning new things every single day. Now that I'm about to leave Job Corps, I know that I have gotten the training and experience that I need to forward and move better with my life. I'm graduating in a week, and I'm going to go work for SUI, Satellites Unlimited, and it's thanks to the experience and training in my trade that I have gotten this far.